Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of TechNiche.com. Today, we're going to continue with the Learn Linux from Scratch series and we're going to be looking at how to use VI and VIM in Linux. Okay, so what is VI and VIM? Um, they are text editors. Text editors can be used for writing, editing, undoing, redoing, replacing, and performing all of text activities. There are couples of text editors in Linux. We have VI, we have VIM, we have Nano, Emac, Gedit, Pcode, VS Code, Atom brackets, and there are a lot of them. But in today's lesson, we're going to look at how to use the VI and VIM text editor. If you want to know more about VI and VIM and the differences between them, you can check this website. As usual, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description section below. All right. So we're going to look at how to use these text editors with examples. There are three modes when using VIM. We can use VIM in the visual mode. We can use VIM in the insert mode. We can use VIM in the command mode. I'm going to create a file called Amazing Love using VI or VIM. So I'm going to do this Amazing Love, right? So I can use VI or VIM, but I choose to use VI. And I'm going to press my enter key. Okay, so for me to insert or put in some content in this file, I need to press my I key, which signifies insert. Okay, so that means I am using VI or VIM in insert mode, right? So I'm just going to copy what I have in the website and paste it here. Okay, so this is the content that I have in this amazing love file. For me to save this content and quit this file, I need to press the escape key. You see that as soon as I press the escape key, you cannot find the insert here anymore. Okay, then I need to press column, right? So you can see the column right at the bottom of the file, followed by W, which means save, then Q, which means quit, and exclamation mark, which means exit. Right? So I've been able to save, quit, and exit the file. So for me to check the contents in the file, I can use the cat command, right? You can see that I already have this content in the file. So I've been able to use um, the the VI and VIM in the insert mode, right? To use the VI or the VIM in the command mode, let's do some activities. So let me open the file using VI, or let me use VIM this time around. Amazing love. Okay. To move my cursor to the end of the file, I'm going to use the letter uppercase G, right? So you can see that my cursor has been moved to the end of the file, so I can, begin to write whatever thing I want to write instead of me scrolling from the top to the bottom, especially when I have a lot in the file. To move to the beginning of the file, I'll use the command GG. I'll tap GG, but lowercase this time around 2 times. All right. So you see that I've been able to move to the beginning of the file. To move the cursor to the end of the line, I'm going to use the dollar key, right? You see that I've been able to move the cursor to the end of the line. And to move the cursor back to the beginning of the line, I'm going to use 0, right? So you've seen I've been able to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. So anytime I want to edit, I can just use this short keys to move my cursor to wherever I want to move it to. All right. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how to use the VI or VIM editor in visual mode. Okay. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.